Hi! In the beginning of this course, we looked at 4 points to describe the word digital literacy. In this video, we want to look at how you can introduce and implement these 4 points on digital literacy to your classroom. The first one is searching for information. In practice, this means that you can ask your students to search online for some information on a topic or assignment you or your classroom have chosen together. Before your students go searching for information by themselves, you can prepare your students on their online journey. You can make a list of reliable sources that you can present to the class, or you can ask your students some of the following questions before they go searching for information. What information do you want to find, and where do you want to find this information? Is it through a specific search engine or web page, and so forth? These questions are intended to help you and your students be able to evaluate information, which is the second point, evaluating information. As your students are online and trying to find information, they should also be critical of what they come across. This can be a difficult task since there's so much information online, but the easiest way to find reliable information is to find and use more than just one source that contains the information you're looking for. So after your students have done their research, you can ask your classroom the following questions. Where did they find their information? What sites did they choose? And what made them choose this information? Did it seem credible? And how come? If you want more information and questions you can use in your classroom, go to the material section to find more on this topic. After having practiced finding and evaluating information, we should move on to creating content, which is the third point. For this skill, I would recommend using technology in the classroom. This is a great way to encourage your students to create some form of digital content, like writing a script and making a video. You can also implement technology in your classroom by making an online survey or poll as a way of evaluating your lessons, or making a joint calendar you and your students can access to see what's planned for the week and what the class has of homework. These are just some ideas. You can see more in the material section if you want to see how other teachers are implementing technology in their classroom. And after your students have created their own digital content, I would recommend that they only share their content within the classroom. As a teacher, it's nice to keep your classroom a safe place for your students, and hopefully this will encourage them to continue being creative and share their creations with each other. So this was just some of the ways to implement digital literacy in the classroom. If you want to learn more, head over to the material section and find more information on the topic. Until then, bye.